How to recover your Spotify account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can recover and log into your Spotify account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. You can do so on the website or the application. I won't be able to show you on the application due to the security process, but all you have to do is you'll have to open up Spotify and head over to login page. If you are doing it on the website, you can head into spotify.com and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then tap on login option. Once you tap on login, there at the bottom you'll see forget your password option. Now if you don't remember your password, you can easily log in with your Google account or Facebook account if your account has been associated with it, or you can log in with Apple as well. But if you don't have one, then you can tap on forget your password option, and then it'll ask you to enter in your email address or username. You can easily enter in your email address, tap on send link. It'll send a link to your email address. Through the link you can go ahead and change the password and reset the password. So this way you can recover Spotify account. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.